Outbound Calling Campaign, Best Practices and Strategy Guide, AnyBiz. Welcome to the world of outbound calling campaigns. These campaigns are vital for businesses aiming to grow and connect with their customers. Unlike other marketing strategies, outbound calling allows direct, personalized engagement with potential clients. In this video, we'll cover everything about outbound calling campaigns, their nature, differences from inbound calls, benefits, and step-by-step setup. We'll also discuss best practices, success tips, and useful tools and software to optimize your strategy. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to enhance your outbound calling strategy for better results. Let's dive in and see how these campaigns can revolutionize your business communication and customer relations. The right tools and software are crucial for a successful outbound calling campaign. They streamline operations, boost efficiency, and offer valuable insights. Here's a look at some essential solutions and recommendations. A robust call management system serves as the heart of an outbound campaign. Features like auto-dialing, call routing, and recording save time and ensure quality. Reliable options include Five9 and RingCentral. Integrating your calling system with a CRM, like Salesforce or HubSpot CRM, can significantly increase productivity. CRM systems help track interactions, manage leads, and personalize conversations, making customer information easily accessible during calls. Analytics tools are key to understanding and improving your campaign's performance. Look for software offering detailed reporting and real-time analytics. Google Analytics and Tableau provide deeper insights into your calling campaigns. VoIP technology offers flexibility and cost-effectiveness. Platforms like Skype for Business or Zoom provide clear voice quality and are often easier to set up and maintain than traditional phone systems. Scripting tools help create and refine your calling scripts. These tools allow easy script adjustments and provide prompts to callers, ensuring key points are communicated effectively. For training and ensuring call quality, tools like Chorus.ai or Gong.io offer call recording and AI-driven feedback. These tools are invaluable for training purposes and improving call quality. Selecting the right combination of these tools and software solutions can greatly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your outbound calling campaign. They simplify the process and provide insights for continuous improvement. Integrating AnyBiz for enhanced outbound success. AnyBiz offers AI-driven B2B lead generation, enriching your outbound strategy. With personalized multi-channel outreach, including email and continuous learning, it ensures better lead generation and higher email deliverability. If you've enjoyed your stay, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. More exciting updates are on the way.